Hi everybody, I hope you enjoyed creating your cover designs. I would love to see them if you'd like to send them in to me. I love to create my cover design. It really cements in my brain what it is I'm trying to say with my story and what the most important elements are, what kind of mood I'm trying to create with my story as well. The next part of helping us to create our story is called a day in the life of. Basically, what I want you to do is choose your main character. Now, we've looked at how to create a main character in some of the other workshops, but you can just choose your character now if you want, in your heads, imagine them. And I want you to draw a storyboard of what your character does on a typical day. Now, a storyboard is just a series of pictures which will show your main character and what they do from first thing in the morning to last thing at night when they go to bed. So pictures, you can add a little bit of dialogue if you want to. For example, if there are certain phrases or certain things that your character might say repeatedly, you might want to write those down. Or if there are certain words that you've come across you want to include in your story, you can put those in as well. Don't forget to think about what class your character is. In Victorian times, if your character was a housemaid, for example, their day would be extraordinarily, extremely, massively different to if they were the Queen. So think about your character's class, think about what they might do on a typical day, draw a series of pictures so you really get an idea of what your character is and what they have to do every day. Good luck, and I'll see you for the next bit. Bye!